Full screen. 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 Okay. Full screen. Full screen. Yo, 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 what's happening? What's happening, traders around the world? Good morning, good evening, good day, good guten tag. Hello, 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 hello. All right, so the first thing that catches my eye is what are we doing with this inversion over here? What are they doing? What are they? What? Was ist das? Was ist das? Doop doop doop. So there is no days, right? So I, not that I'm going to do it today, but third day I can pass it, right? Because I'm under the 40%. Elijah, is that correct? Doop 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 doop. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to the daily here. I'm just gonna just go ahead and lay it all out there for everyone to know. I am not at the capacity to trade with real money today. I will be here. I will be coaching, yeah. But you guys need to listen to G-Man, Joey, and Zach today. I will be here with you, but I am not able to trade with real money today due to my health. No, I'm not drunk, not high, nothing like that. I am just the meds that I'm on. I cannot make a lawful decision. Thank you. I am here. I am going to narrate. I am going to get you guys through the tape. We are going to read it. We are going to kick some bootaney. If I take a trade, it will be in the simulator. Do we still have the simulator button? We do. Yeah. We'll probably put the simulator button on so everybody understands what's going on here. I am sidelined for the day due to my health and the medication that I'm on. So let's just dive right in and let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. And so if I act a little silly, you'll probably figure out why. That is why I will not be taking any real trades today, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now here's what catches me, right? We get this turd right here. It's actually on the 4-hour chart. You guys are naughty. Let me ask you a question. And you don't have to answer this, right? But I want you to think about this. Ready? All of you. What are you gonna do if this railroad tracks your ass? What are you gonna do if we go straight back to 62.60? Okay. Now, are we going to go there? I just smashed my nose into the mic. That was awesome. You guys would have loved that if you could see it. That's why you can't. That's why you can't see it. None of that shenanigan today. What are you going to do? Right? So now, is it going to happen? I don't know. Statistically, well, it did it yesterday, right? So maybe. Let's put a percentage number on that event actually happening. 1 in 8 times. 1 in 8 times. That's my guess. Anyone have another one? Thank you, Mr. Eric. 5x5. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Those of you that are starting to trickle back, watching me again here from your little hiatus, I appreciate you. I see you. Let me know. Let me know if you're back. Contact at sageft.com. Okay, let me know how many calls we've had, and let me know where you're stuck. We got you. We've got homework for you. We'll get you pulled out of this here. Or text me or email me and tell me how good you're doing. Let's do that. Now, first thing I want to look at is, are we inside or outside the narrowest range of the last 7 traded days? All right, where's David O? Oh, David O, are you ready for the crash course? Okay. Everybody remind David O that he can rewind the tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the narrowest range of the last 7 days at 46.25. So we're going to go 46.25 because I'm doing it old school, right? Coordinates 46.25. Okay, now, so what we'll do here is we'll draw David a nice little, David O, we're going to draw you a nice little box. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 days, including today. We are underneath the red line. I know you got it figured out, David. I just had to bust your balls. I mean, almost 2 years of going, what in the hell? It is of all of the bars. Okay, so now here's another thing that we need to pay attention to. These are wide range. Okay, yesterday and the day before were wide range. We are deep, narrow range after wide range days. Now, go back and think about what usually happens on a day like today. Does anyone know? There's 2 things. It's one or the other. Do you know what they are? Okay. The first one is it stays tight like Nat Booty. Okay. Or the second thing is it really starts to kick up some range. Really starts to kick up some range. Which one is it going to be? We're going to find out, aren't we? Yes, we are. All right, so what we're going to do is, because we're in the narrowest range of the last 7 days, we're going to use our Keltner channels on a 2-minute chart. We'll get to that here in a minute. Now, the daily chart went bake to position wane. Bake to position wane on the daily chart. So the question is, does it stay there? Does it stay moving up? Is this a massive engulfing? Is it? It would be engulfing, not outside, right? I get those two mixed up, but I know that if it engulfs, if the body engulfs the previous one, it's outside. Okay, so is this what people? Now think about it like this: if you were on the 2-minute chart, would you be looking for a pullback along? Would this be the long signal? Here's the quagmire. We want to trade like this, right? We want to trade where the ignition candle, the base of the ignition candle, doesn't matter if it's long or short, comes from the moving averages like this. This is what we want. Not this. I want you to think about this. This is literally the opposite of what I just showed you. This is a big green candle into the 20. So now it's not that it's going to go down. It's not that it's going to go up. Let it tell us. Who bottom? It's the one where Kirk says it to Sulu. Ramming speed, Sulu. Aye, aye, Captain. Think about what that means to Sulu nowadays. That was funny. It definitely means something different than it did in the Captain Kirk days, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, and I will be on Sim, folks. Thank you. Thank you. Not even now listen to me. Even if I take a trade in the micros, it will be in the simulator. I have no live accounts open here because it is absolutely against protocol for me to place a trade in the state that I'm in, health wise. I cannot do that. The Buellnox rule says I can now just pass the test. So I just need what, 500 and something bucks? Perfect. There's no consistency. The consistency rule is 40%. There's no minimum amount of days, right? So really, there's 3 days. I'm pretty good at math. You guys like that? Let's dive deeper. I know you guys are like, come on, get to the point. There is no point. We're in a 17-point range. You're going to get 10% of 17. How many of you are swinging for the fences trying to get 4 and 5 points right now? Okay, here's what you need to do. Open the door, stick your head in it, in the door frame, and slam it. Your head, not your hands. Your head. Oh. David, you could do it to yourself. Okay. Now here's the best part. David, here's the best part about that whole scenario. You will never, ever forget how to calculate narrow range. Good. Okay, so now before we get there, what are the 3 rules on the 2-minute chart? Okay, for our colored candles, we'll get to those here in the colored candles in a second. But let me give you the rules. Number 1, okay, if it's near a Keltner, if it paints near a Keltner, it could be a plausible reversal. Number 2, sweep the leg. Number 3, I already said it. You want the base of the candle to ignite from the moving average. Now, in this case, the moving average would be mid Keltner. Let's move on. Let's go. I hope you wrote those down, because our resident Jason Driver, he doesn't have to keep reminding you guys every single day of what the rules are. He'll just go ahead and just make money without you. Why does this keep changing? How many times do you have to update the 8 EMA? Do you guys notice that? You have an update for your indicator. How? It's a frickin' moving average. This right here, okay. I keep going back to this 4-hour chart. I keep going back to the 4-hour chart. Why? Look at the confluence that we have. Okay, so think of all the things that we can pick, prod, poke. Okay, number 1, I got this little green line. I don't think I can make it bigger. Nope. That's terrible. You can't make it bigger. Okay. Anyway, and so we've got point 1, point 2. Okay, holds as resistance. We got 10 minutes. Oh, there's a big sell signal. Holds as resistance, breaks, holds, breaks, tests. Okay, and then they just slice through it like a hot knife through butter. Okay, so now, what are we doing here with this inversion here? We got a triple, quadruple, double decker, triple bus inversion. See, ICT. You don't got that. Yours ain't shit. I got the double, triple, quadruple, double decker bus. You ain't got shit. You just have an inversion. Ha! Now I'm better than you. Okay, so it came to fruition exactly what we drew. Do you guys see this? Now, this blue. Watch this. I'm gonna turn this back on. You're gonna go, that's what it was. That's what it was. Okay, so now if we turn back on Joey's CS, do you remember? Do we go back to red? White arrow pointing straight back up into this inversion, right? So it was the 4-hour. This blue arrow was pointing to the red. Now, the reason we were pointing to white on red is, who remembers why? Joey, you're not allowed to type it in. Anyone else besides Joey, type in, why were we watching where that blue arrow is? And no, I'm not going to go on until someone answers this question because it's probably the most important thing I'm going to show you today. If you don't know, please say, I don't know, right? Don't make me talk to myself, guys. Otherwise, I can literally just not talk to anyone. That is only on your side, Joey. Wow, you can trade a lot of futures contracts in these firms. Hmm. There are no a trader with Buell Knox. A trader is not required to trade every day. I really do like that. I really, really like that. Okay, and on Buell Knox, you can have 11 active master accounts. The reason I'm using Buell Knox right now, okay, is I'm really trying to find you guys a nice rhythmic option. Okay, Ninja Trader added a rhythmic direct thing into their system. You do not have to use the Rhythmic R Pro any longer running in the background when you're using Ninja. You just set a rhythmic connection just like Trade of 8. Just like Trade of 8, folks. And so what I'm doing is I'm looking at I'm looking at yeah, Buell Knox. Okay, so now the answer is let's dive right back into it because you guys are close. Eric, if we go back like this, let me remove all the other filth, flarn, and filth. Right? That's you guys know it. You guys know where that's from, right? If you're an Eddie Murphy fan or Bill Cosby fan before he turned weird or before we found out. Okay, so now what we have is we have red, white, and blue. We've got 32, 64. Am I saying that right, Joey? 96. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. What we want to look for is when we're below price and we have red, white, and blue. What you're watching for is what happens if white touches blue or red. Okay, so now that's the first part. So that's why we started to market. Now the next thing that happens is Joey says, snake mouth. Okay, here's the deal. And yes, my medicine has given me extreme cotton mouth, guys. So give me a second here. Dry mouth, not cotton mouth. You know what I mean, guys. Okay. Now, let's say that you're short. Okay. Now, get ready. Get ready to have the chills. Okay, because this is going to be the revelation for the revolution. The revolution will be televised. Okay. If you're short and Joey says, he types in or says on the mic, snake mouth 5 minute above. Okay. The odds of you taking a loss on that short, unless you're adding where his snake mouth is very, very high. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here, when red goes under white, okay, or blue goes under white, okay, doesn't matter. This is where you and I, as losing traders, lost all of our money because we thought we were smarter than the rest of the market. We saw everything going down. We saw everything capitulating. We saw the moving averages starting to shift, and then we get smoked like a pack of cigarettes. Why? Because that's what creates the snake mouth. So when you see the snake mouth, okay, which is white outside of blue and red, white outside of blue and red, white outside of blue and red, you need to make sure that you are not susceptible to the snake bite. The snake bite is, let's say you're short right here, right here. I'm going to use the blue arrow. Let's say that you're short right here. You're like, oh, this is perfect. This is a perfect pullback, blah, 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 whatever you come up with, right? And then the next bar gives you this. You're going to hear the old Sesame Street sound go. Ready, guys? Wah, 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 wah. Okay? Because Joey is going to go snake bite. And it's going to be right above you. And then now, think of all the times you heard Joey say, type that into me before we were on the mic together. And imagine, think about how many times I was short on the 30-second chart, and he goes, snake bite, 30-second. And I go, F you, Joey. F you, Joey, right? Several times before I caught on, don't do that. Okay, so now. That's the snake bite. Very, very quick. You guys got it all. Now, what does a snake bite create? When price goes inside of the snake bite, that creates the yellow line, the CS. Okay, that's where that comes from. You're welcome. Okay, so now what do we do with that information? I'm glad you asked. Well, do we go below? What was it? Okay, right here. So this one is 52 to 62. Do we go below, above, inside, outside? Do we not go down into it? Blah, 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 blah. 62, 52. That's what we're watching. All right, so now that's on the 4-hour chart. Let's rippity dippity down into, before we get there, 15 minutes completely flat. You have no edge. Let's go to the 2-hour. And the 1 hour. Okay, so now here's why we're bringing this up in. Look at 64.89 up there, all lonely as hell up there, right on the 2-hour. Bearish. Okay, we didn't get to 62.27. Bullish. On the 2-hour chart, we held 62.57. Bullish. Okay, so now do we go back to the prior levels of noise, right? Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Or do we create a new level of noise? Now, how do we create a new level of noise? I just showed you. Price goes back into a snake bite. Okay, so now if we don't have a snake bite, right, this is where all this comes together. This is where all this comes together. You're getting all of Joey's lingo in one, right? You're going to hear Joey say, what's the quickest way to put it back in order? If we're out of order, we're going to say, what's the quickest way to put it back in order? What's the quickest way to put it back in order? And whatever it is what it is. We don't know. Now, here's something really cool. Check this out. Joey, look at this. Look, remember Maxwell Smart? Remember Get Smart? And you missed it by this much, right? Look at that. If we were 1 bar later, okay, or 2 points higher on this one, the signal to noise would be completely different than it is now. But it's not. Okay? But it's not. So this is where we're at now. That's the 2-hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. I know I'm taking a long time, guys. Hey, while we're at it. Elijah, how do I do that? Okay. Go here. Go full face. Face. Put them up in the air, everybody. It's gonna be a cheers. If you're new, say hi. Okay, follow us at the underscore sage FT on all of our socials. You know where you know you're out on YouTube. I don't need to say that. Team Green, spam some cheers emote. It'll be great when all of Team Green comes back from vacation. Mart is in Bali. Tyson, are you still fishing? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of you on vacation. And the good thing is you earned it. You deserve it, right? Take those payouts. Take those freaking payouts. So back into the 1 hour. You see all the noise on the 1 hour chart. You see how it's just like, oh, what the hell? Right? Okay, perfect. Look at the clarity on the 2 hour chart. That's why we have more than one. And that is why I did not short that. You guys see that? Nope. All right, now let's go down to the smallest time frames that we normally use here. And yes, I'm just wasting time, guys. There's no, if we go to the news, right? There's no news. PMI composite final. I take that back. ISM services index and PMI composite final. Tomorrow we have the 10-year note, and Thursday we have the 30-year bond. All right. All right, let's make sure the Keltners are on there. And they are. Okay, so now the way that we're going to use this chart is we're going to trade the Keltners. So the rules are, what we want is some sort of paint bar to reverse at the Keltners. Here's the Keltners. We can make these a little thicker. Faux. Now, let me get the charts. I know, I see it. I'm still learning how to push the buttons. Full screen. And then I have to go over here. Elijah, can we fix the full screen button? Folks, we have a conflict in the full screen button on the stream deck here, and Elijah's been pulling his freaking hair out dealing with it. I feel bad for him. Every time we think we got it fixed, right? Wow, wow, wow. Okay, VPOC is very, very low on the profile. Folks. Where's the draw point? Folks, don't make this more complicated. Where's the draw point? Quickly. One person type it in. Quickly. It's not complicated. Don't make this more complicated than it is. Where's the draw point on this? Okay, is it closer to 56 or is it closer to 77? I'm just making numbers up. Andy, for now. Tony L, this is your kind of day, buddy. So wouldn't we want to wait for lower Keltner draw before we go cowboy thinking that we know where the market's going to go? I noticed none of you typed anything in. Set 50, 55, 77, or or not taking 77 to 55. Yes. And Andy, what I've been mentioning over the past few days, Andy, you are correct. No, I read from your thing. Is hold on, brain fart, medicine fart. Hold on. What was I saying? This is why I can't trade with real money. Do you guys see this? Right. So here's the deal. When you guys go on your meds, okay, no, I'm not on psych meds or anything like that. It's pain meds, right? don't think you're a fucking superhero and you're going to trade through it, okay? Because you can't, right? Over the last few days, what I've been saying, I know that, but what was I saying? Someone push rewind on the video for a second here. It's actually really important, so let me remember what it is. Fuck. It was really important, but I got squirreled into the conversation. That's what it was. I was just saying how freaking awesome Joey is. I honestly don't remember what the hell it was. 5577. Oh, wow. Okay. I honestly don't remember what it was. It'll come back to me. It'll come back to me. It's important. That's what sucks. Fix these here so you guys can see them a little bit better. Okay. Dreams. Absolutely. Absolutely. So in the 2 minute, it's very obvious we got 60 and 76. Okay. And then if we break 60, we go straight 48 because we've got a lot of noise, a lot of prior noise back there. 5 minute, not as noisy, right? You've got 66s, and then we've got something beautiful right around 6,300 even. Wow. Oh, here, answer the phone. Hello? Hello, who is this? New phone, who this?
No, I changed up my workout yesterday, Rev. And, woke up this morning with
You're on the stream.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm just saying I woke up this morning with aches and pains I've never had before.
Oh. Me too, kinda.
That means it's working.
Let me put my headphones on. I can't hear you. Hold on. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the new Jordan 4 rare OGs or Air Rares or whatever they're called. I forgot to unbox them for you guys yesterday, so we could do that today. Maybe. I don't know if I want to turn these lights on. I don't know if my eyeballs can take it. Let me see.
Gotta keep up your rituals.
That's that holy water.
Rose water, baby.
They're just fours. Andy. They're a shoe that you don't wear. They're a collector's shoe. And I'll show. Yeah, if you want to just clip the part where I do it, where I unbox them, and Mason can watch it. They're comfortable. But I mean, are you going to buy your son $220 Jordans? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Because so the way that we do it is you buy two pairs if you're going to wear one, right? If you're going to wear a pair of them, you buy another pair you're going to throw in the box in the closet.
The answer is only if he's going pro. Is he 6'8" with?
Yeah, my dad never would have. No, I take that back. The rule with my dad was, he paid for the regular price, right? So if a pair of Vans were 60 and I wanted the Jordans, I had to pay the extra. Headphones. Okay, I can't remember. Is this the right one? Zach, say something. There we go. I can hear you. Okay. All right. Mr. G-Man and Mr. Zach are on the call. It's a good morning to you, gentlemen. I had Jordan 5s. I had the Jordan 5s with the 23s in 7th grade. In 8th grade, I had those Barkley Air 180s, Max 180s. That's the most comfortable shoe I've ever put my foot in. I will buy those again when they come back out.
They got them.
Yeah, the black ones, the Forces. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
Black
we
with-
won.
yeah.
We won states that year. Those were my favorite shoes.
Dude, is that not? Dude, it's like putting your foot in a freaking pillow. I'll find them and post it. It's the same colors as these rare airs, though.
I can't wear those narrow Nikes anymore. Ever since I got out and I got a flipper for a foot.
No, okay. So ones are the only ones that are narrow. 3 through
I bought like 4 pairs of 3s, and holy shit, did it hurt.
well, those are narrow too, huh? Yeah. See, because I can put a foot in a 3, I can't put my foot in a 1, and I'd never buy a 2. So
Best piece of life advice, guys. Stay young. Stay young. I remember being 18 looking at 30-year-olds like they're done.
done, son. We have a triple top on the deuce. We got a triple bottom on the deuce. So what we want to do is we want to wait for the draw. The draw.
What an exit at 67.
Are you long or you were short?
Oh, I was long since last night. I got out. I mean, I had my
That's it.
ATM on. I had to drop my kid off. And when I got back from dropping her off from camp, my target hit to the tick and they dumped it. I see the picture.
Let's see that. Let's go. Mr. Joey's on the call. Morning.
Joe. Morning.
6360 on the deuce.
You see that exit, Joe?
Oh, I'm nowhere near. Oh, look at your 5-minute. Yuck. Folks, what are you trying to do here? Yeah, that's clean. G-Man. That's how good we are though, right? So G-Man 2.0, that's your expectation. Copy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like, where's Ryan? When he comes on here, I'm going to tell him he's not allowed to be a clown every time he hits a fucking target.
We winners, baby. We winners. So
Yeah,
we
isn't
win.
that- It's the expectation. Oh, 45-minute. Joey, lock in. Yuck. Look at the snaky poo on that biatch. Wow. How many times have you typed that in?
You know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I know. Are you still eating nightshades, Zach? Staying away from them helps my gout.
Oh, no. I'm far away from those.
What is a nightshade?
Like
56.
mushrooms and a bunch of vegan stuff I'd never eat anyway.
Like dirt. Oh, regular food. Oh, yeah. Onion. You're not supposed to eat potato at all. You're not supposed to eat peas, right? Sword on the 2. A lot of volume to the downside on the footprint, so be careful. Everything is lower. Joey says if you buy here, he's going to take your money.
6350, Joey.
I was just
And
about to
they're
say
on-
63.46 on the 45.
And they're on 6345. I want to see the reaction, what they do there, to see if we can get a bounce.
You guys
Yeah.
see what G-Man's talking about. I got it on the chart. Big blue arrow. Boink, right there. There you go. And the reason is it's right inside of the what we just talked about, red and blue, while they are away from white. Perfect.
And 6350 will make you even before the open, so we'll see.
I got 56.50
I
on
have
45. There's some blow over there on that blue line.
which is 63.56 is the close. Okay, I see it. You said blow. Okay, which was at 56. I see it. Okay, so folks, when he says blow, watch, I'm going to put the big blue arrow on it. It's when it goes straight through the white line. Get it? Blow. Ha, 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 ha. Okay? You'll never forget it now that I said it. Right there. And then where's the one way down there, Joey? 6323. And still naked. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Copy that. Okay, good. 443 at 64.75. Like a moth to the flame, folks. This is noise. 15 minutes in control. Show me 57 and then reverse and then I look for something. No, show me 56. I want to remind everyone, just because the candles are printing doesn't mean you need to trade. Show me clarity. Joey, do you have a downside target?
I was kind of looking at 45, but it just painted that bar at 49.
Two-minute sword looking juicy on the right off of the 60 to the tick. Oh, Joey, look at that. What? There's
There
no
it is.
way. Get used to it, folks, because there is a way, and we do it all the time. Look at your 445 volume.
Watch the tape right here. This is the price. Look at, you see how he came? 445 times?
Yeah, 445 at 64.75. Let's go. Where's it
Said
go from here?
market. That's the offer though.
He hit it. Yeah, that was a buyer. Well, that was a buyer initiating, seller taking the contract. Now it's got to fill those gaps all the way down to the twos. Got ahead of itself. So to me, when I see this, it looks like a liquidity algorithm to me, right? Somebody just hits market, and then either the CME or a market maker says, "Nah, you got out of line a little bit versus the cash price." So here, I'm going to absorb you for a minute. Figures itself out, and it either goes higher or it fades right back in. We off of lower Keltner though? Are we off? Yes. Yeah. Well, I mean, we are. Yuck. Did this even hit 1-to-1? It did. Did not hit 2-to-1 though. It did not hit 2-to-1.
So miss on the 2-minute as of now.
Did you say 10-minute?
2-minute.
I was like, what
Didn't
the
make the
hell?
return.
Right. Yeah.
Damn, I trying to join the offer. They didn't let me in. That's 64.50. He said market. Dump it on him.
They say kick rocks, bud.
64.50 gives you 61 and 57 and 50.
Now here we go again, playing with this damn yesterday's high like we did. What was it, 2 weeks ago? Every single day had yesterday's high stuck in it somewhere. This is the same thing, boys and girls.
Here we come, 61. So show me 61. 62.
G-Man's making moves over here. Make a move.
There it is. There it is. Bank it.
Everybody make a move. And now, okay, so now if we hold 61 and we start to go back up, this is what you're looking for, right?
We gotta hold 62.
Okay.
But we already broke it. So next is 61. Bank.
Skabinka.
And under 61 is 57. But he said the GOAT said no real bear case until 63.30 fails. So that's my levels to start selling. But up here, it's nothing to really do right here.
Yeah, here, everybody look at the screen. Watch this. I'm going to show you something. Ready?
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No.
Everybody's like, ooh, what is it? What is it? Bam. What? Suck it. There's your answer, boys and girls. Oh my God. Look at this. It says, I have created, look, I got this post. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the bullshit that people see. KJ, I have created a 100% win rate model. Yes. Let's click at this. Oh yeah. Good job, dude.
All the stuff is sitting at 58. All the stuff.
These people are fucking clowns.
It never trades, so it never loses.
Yeah. Yeah, no, there's no stop, so it doesn't get stopped out. It only wins. That's pretty good. Wait.
Pull up your 5 minute real quick, Rev.
Where's the new Mancini? Oh, right there, 1 hour, 5 minute. Here you go.
I just sent it to you too as a picture. You see it?
Da. Wait, is it the?
Put your nose on the screen. Zoom in.
Oh, the one you just sent. Wait.
No, we can put yours up so they can see what I'm talking about.
With the nose on the screen.
Zoom in. Zoom in.
More?
Where's you see how they close all the imbalances? Where's your fair value gap? Where is it? So if they take this up, we're gonna go straight up to the liquidity at 63.75. You see that? There's no supply zone nowhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm like, dude. Here's a trick question. I see. Okay, it's a trick question.
It's gonna go real fast.
I see. And
that's
if
why I keep short this.
I see. Oh, ooh. We have a sell.
But your stops is also sitting at 57. Okay, that's what 57 is your next level from 62. Okay, so 62, 57, 50.
So we have a sell signal here. I will be in the simulator only sim. Only sim. Stop at 67.75. Add order 64.75. Sim only for me.
You see how he's selling that 61? 200 times. 300 times. Yep, there another one.
Oh, they stuck him at 64.75. You know what I mean?
That's the offer. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah. Oh, I was watching it. I watched it print.
Yeah,
look at him just sell again at 60 3/4. Look at that, 315 by 36.
I try to join him. They didn't let me in. You see the next bar? Only 4. There's 4 souls up there.
And then it gives the perfect sell signal. See how it engulfs both moving averages?
Mwah. This is going to 50.
Ooh, G-Man calls 50. Let me in.
Yeah, I'm selling though.
Knocking on the back door. Let me in. Four minutes, 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Giggity to the open. You use those white charts, man, and it gives everybody flashbang when you send it. When you send it.
61 feels 42, right?
I see bet on the white chart.
Your eyes will thank you in 10 years if you stop doing that.
Meh.
653 at 66. 653 at 66. What does he know? What does he know that we don't know, guys? Something. Canceling my offer. No Phil.
He knows that all this stuff is sitting at 57.
Yeah. Well, come on now. Okay, so then he's the bid down there too then.
Correct.
And his offer is 66. Okay, got it. That actually makes perfect sense.
He's gonna take you down there so he can accumulate.
Yeah, so he can get his so then he can close the 66s at 663 times. Wow, correct. That is weird. 6366 has 663 times. What? No fill at 6175. Your target is 5875, 5575. I have no orders in. I am chillaxing, waiting. I'm going to step away. BRB.
Joey.
Yes, sir.
Going on, family. Crushing the boom stick.
Got it, my man.
Sir.
You want some? Watch it.
Sound like Ric Flair. Woo!
I want to get out of this before the market opens. Come down here and slap me.
Yeah. Take some at 57. Where's your target? 50?
My first one's 58. I want to front it.
They're leaning into the bid right before the bell. I want to remind you that doesn't mean anything once the bell rings.
Minute and a half.
What is that? 50, 48.
I'd like to see like 50 for sure.
Yeah. I would like to catch a bidder on 50. That would be real nice.
Certainty, it doesn't come from prediction. It comes from patience. Because when you master your
I just can't sell this because if we go up, we're going to 75 quick, fast, and hurry. So I'm going to chill and wait for a setup. "30 seconds. Buckle up."
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get my power beats to work. Anyone know how to turn the power beats on without the damn box thing? Okay, they're going to get to that 66. You guys see that? They have to get to 66. That's why I didn't sell. Okay, here we go. We're open. He says, give me that 66. He said, I did my work. There he goes. Not yet. Okay, so now there's 649 cars at 66. How many of them trade? The best trade today is the no trade. The best trade of the day is the no trade.
Oh, he's slamming that 65. He's like, get back down there. Listen, where you going? Wrong way. Go back. You see how he printed another 500 at 65 rep?
Look at him reverse it because it doesn't hit 66.
Yeah.
Somebody front run him at 65 with a big iceberg. Like, mark it. Get out of here. Here comes 57. What was I looking for? Watch Travis 65 reclaim C's 74, 68, 78, 86.
Bang! I'm out.
There it is, Joey. Good hit.
Hit that 56.
See that 57 to the tick? 57.75, 57.50. Look at that. How did he?
You could have swept the leg 64.25, 64.75. You are hitting 1R and 2R from 64.75. What a trade. I did not take it, obviously. $3:45, $7:45. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7:45 a.m.
Good. Here comes the volume at 60. You see that, ref? Ugh. 3,000 times. 4,000 times. Oh my God. Here comes the volume. Oh, he said get down.
I just hope they don't go back to 45 and sit there all day like yesterday.
Zach disappear. What happened? Yep, there he is. Nothing to trade here, guys. I'm going to step away. I'm going to go touch grass here. Take note that 59 to 60 is your tape. They did not print 66. Holy grasshopper. 5 minute looks like a sell. And then if it sells, it goes to what? 63.33. And isn't 63.33 to 31 Mancini? So then on the top side, right, if they really crack this thing in the 5 minute, get through the 71, 72s, you got 64.11. Right, because we reserve our right to waffle, fam. We do not just say it's going to one side. Never. Unless you're Joey. And then you can crush it.
Your price is 64, so they sold it twice when we got there. So I'm trying to see on the third test what they do with it. If they sell it again on the third test, oh boy, I'm going in.
If we don't get any action, I'll unveil, I'll unbox these Jordans here in a minute.
That was Brad's trade. He DM'd me this morning. Said snake on the 45. Easy peasy.
What is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15,000 times. That's 60. Holy Jesus. Well, he likes it. If he likes it, I like it too.
15-minute noise below. 6280.
The buyers need some big cojones right here to push this. snores. The 30 never snaked.
Mhm. I'm watching. See the red sitting right on 61. If it gets under it, they might have just nailed him right there. Watch this.
Straight 250. You see how 60 is holding? Break it.
They gotta get.
59.
They haven't touched the 56.50 yet.
59.25. Under 59.25, you'll get the 56. Somebody's fighting it right now, trying to keep it up there. You couldn't make a new low, so I'm watching.
Five-minute was a miss at 65.75. They get under 60. Look out.
Yep. 59.25 to be exact. That's what I'm watching. Uh-oh, here we go. Above 65, watch out. Right now you're looking at 65 to 59.25. A bit more. I want to see the print. Okay, good.
Still might reject on the return here.
He ain't got no more. I know that for sure. It's dead.
There's your Mancini level to level, just like he tells you. 61 to 65.
There it is, yep. Oh, never mind. He's sitting at 66 now.
That's why he's all quiet.
66 goes give you 70, give you 75, 75, 76. No turbulence, just straight up. Like straight up. Look at that. Look at that, Joey.
Yep. That's why I was scared. It's like, well, this could be a draw 161.
That's why they want to sell it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Right to a 5-minute snake. You got to be shit. I couldn't even see that. Unbelievable.
Is it 21-point range? Nice. All right. I like it. Do I buy 62 now? Asking for a friend.
Well, the 2-minute was a snake.
If this is super bullish, they won't even go under 65. It was just gonna rip, tap and rip. Rats, look at that. They're not even trying to let me in.
$30 gonna snake out. It is right now. It might get you pulled back here. Or if it doesn't, kiss it goodbye.
to me. It's gonna go straight to 76. Fresh stop 71. Look at that, Joey. They say a nice try, kid.
I can't believe I missed that 5 minute. Daggone it.
Okay, well, canceling order right now. Canceling order. They said, yeah, next time. But I didn't want to mark it in, though. That's all I was trying to catch the bid. Look at that bank. 6825 bank.
Comes the 30. Here's your pullback. 62 on the 30.
That one's 62. That's what I was going to say. 62.
Don't hit it. Hang on.
Nope. No bread for you. Lisa, can I have some more?
Ooh, a sweep of the leg. 63.50. Target was 66.25. There's your winner.
He said no French fries for you, kid.
Wow, look at 66.50. 66 got 1,587 cars. Searching underneath the sun. 63.50 to 66.25 was gangsta. So now it's 69. Daddy?
71.
Got to clear 69.50.
And 71.75. I like that. I like that. I like that.
I just, they didn't let me in. My bid was 62. They said, yeah, nice try.
They said, thanks, kid.
Yeah. Try again next time.
Come again. Sweep of the leg was 63.50. We got close to Upper Keltner. We're at VWAP. 63.50.
Watch the 30. It's still down there. Comes light.
I see it. I see it at 62.50. Copy that. Snake bite. Nakey poo. I am in the simulator, folks. The meds in my body say no, 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 no. Today's soldier.
64 still gives you 60. And under 60 still gives you 50. That's why I'm like, okay, I got time. I ain't got nothing but time today. I can wait. Show me Claritin.
Searching underneath the sun. There's no way we get to 62G. We just got news. There's your PMI final.
They're not gonna give me the 62. You crazy? It was too late. They wanted me mark it on the way up, but I can't do that.
Come on.
They said, yeah, nice. You didn't want to mark it in? You're not gonna get this bid.
Ooh.
See you later.
I'll be right back. I gotta go get caffeine. 71.75. So we got 69 and 71.75.
Without me. It's okay. When I canceled the second order, Joey, they didn't come back for me again.
Be rolling.
Ah, that was a perfect bid. Look at it. It came
68 would have been money on the 15. Dang it!
It came one point for my fail, bro. I wanted 62. It came 63.50. Said, see ya.
I said if it doesn't hit it, it's gonna go. Daggone it!
Yeah. Here comes your 71s. Oh, he sees it, but why isn't he just buying and go along? Yeah. Why don't you try that? If you know it's gonna go up, just go long. Okay.
What do you mean that doesn't work?
Yeah, I tried it. I tried it a million times. The result is not it.
It's RBI.
Yeah. If you know it's gonna go up, just buy it.
Gotta hate 79.
79. I got 71.25. There it is.
On the 15, it's missed 79 twice now.
70.
Morning.
What's up, Cam?
Hello.
What's going on?
Get it. Let's get it.
You.
There's your 71.50,
Wait.
Joey.
Let's
How did
go.
you know? How did you know?
I got 74 at T2.
42. It's good. I will take it at 73.25.
Let me see. Yo.
For
How
guarantee.
dare you not film me? How dare you?
You're good.
Remember the narratives, Joey. It was going to go straight up to that 76. How? Well, I showed you how, and I explained to you how.
5 contracts. You better film me. G-Man, I blame you if this don't film me.
Hey,
Right.
yes.
Yes, he says. Okay, canceling ad order, pulling stop up. It's going to be a hot day in the Bahia.
Yeah, but this is a turbulence zone. Yesterday's high. You know, they're going to play with you right here real quick, play with your emotions, make you scared, make you jump out, then rip it on you.
Yeah, I know. That's why my target is 175 still. G-Man, say in Creole, say give Rev his target.
Buy Rev target Lia.
See?
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Right now.
Let's go. Yeah. What he said. 6650 is about to print. Oh, this is going to be
Say you want to buy the fair value cap.
he said there is no words like that. There is no FEG. There's no fair value cap in Creole.
Oh, come on. What is the fair value in Creole? Come on.
What is that, Joey? What is that?
All right, stopped out for 1 tick. Yep, that's what happens when you don't pay attention. No, I wasn't at my desk, and I don't care.
We called it Rev. It was 71.50. You didn't get out?
71.75 was my target, unfortunately.
Oh, they got that 1 tick. Oh, that 1 tick dick.
No, I was, those 5 people. I was not one of those 5 people. It's unfortunate.
I'm gonna text my girl and ask her, what do you think FVG means? What do you think FVG stands for? Let me see what she said.
Oh, Tyson's calling snake.
Uh-oh.
Oh
Uh-oh.
no. Oh well, it's also gonna like kick me out of
Yeah,
the
he
trade.
wasn't lying. Them rat bastards.
Mhm,
35
mhm.
may save us. Let's see.
What do you
I want to
think?
stay in this trade.
Yeah, if you're going to use
It's
Take
still,
Profit Trader, folks, if you're going to use Take Profit Trader, go ahead and use this link right here. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
it's still valid, Joe. You don't see how they keep coming? They keep coming back to your 65. That's your price.
You know,
So
it's really rude when it hits your target and doesn't fill. Zach, what are you doing? You chilling?
Layering up.
Up or down?
Up.
Yeah, it's
you didn't have
kind
your
of
target.
inevitable, huh?
You didn't have your target on MIT, Rev?
You know what's funny is that was a simulated trade, and I'm still like, hey, that was supposed to fill. You rat bastards.
Dutch.
Yeah, that's what Zach and I call the PP toucher. That's confirmed. I would still like to see lower Keltner on the 15-minute, boys.
Is to track everything in use detail, one rate per trade, max intraday trade.
Think of the people that just tried to take the ORB. Wah, wah, wah. Andy, talk to us about that. I do believe Andy is the resident ORB expert, unless he's already gone. 74 is 1.5 XIB. Yes, it is
135.
definitely
Work your magic.
1.5 irritable bowel. It is. I still like this 15-minute bar bullish. I think they had to come back and snap a few people that are trying to do the ORB, and then they can do whatever they would like. Because where's your VPOC, G? Say it.
6450.
60. What? VPOC?
6450.
Wait, no, VPOC, not VWAP.
6450.
Bro, both of them are 66, VWAP and VPOC. No, it doesn't matter. That's 1 point. I'm just messing with him. Mine shows 66.
Let me see your VPOC.
63, 66. Painted right there, sir. Sir. Don't make me say sir. Hit Control Shift R on your chart, G.
Control
Shift R.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should reload the data.
Price is
I really want to
6450.
looking to add. Oh, man, but it's not giving me like.
My price is 6450.
Bro.
Bro.
You only have. Let's see. Someone needs to turn their speakers down. Who is that? Which one of you? Bring to front.
Price, sir. 6450.
Sir, at 6450, you have 5,859 contracts. Sir, at 66, you have 7,555. Which one is larger? Sir.
Let me zoom in.
Sir, I'm zoomed in, sir. No, breaking a 63, 68, 50 OR high. I am not so sure which way we go from here. Besides up. I would like a lower price to look at grabbing supply. Okay.
6,562 is the biggest contracts for the day. Where are you getting 7,000 from? I want to see. I'm going to see.
Oh, hold on. I hate it when I do that. I actually have a buy signal at 68.25. Hold on, G. Hold on. Okay, so here's where we are not going to take this because where did we already hit? Go ahead, say it. Upper Keltner. Upper Keltner. So now you could have shorted 68.25. Now, let me show you how we would do that. Watch. Everybody's like, well, what would your stop be? Watch. If we draw this long, draw the long, 5 even is your stop. So you'd have a 61.75 stop if you swept the leg at 65. So why would we do it any differently if we were to go short at 68.25? Okay, you would literally just inverse this thing. So yeah, 3.25 points. So how do you do it? So it would be 71.50 stop, or you just have your stop right above here.
I'm out.
Yep, and this would actually be a short. See, this is why I didn't take the long. You see that once it hits the upper Keltner, and then on your 5 minute, it just said thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and drip. 71.25 smackdown on the 5 minute. Beautiful, beautiful. That's why I didn't go long either, if that makes sense.
Stop. Right.
It is hotter than balls in here. I'll be right back. Good Lord.
Not to clear 70 on all time.
It had to, and it didn't.
That'll be the breakout is above that.
Yeah. I'll be right back. Oh, almost took my computer with me. I have to find.
You have to send me the price. Go on, get me in. Come on, fill me.
Like, get good if they don't touch 60.
Don't forget Apex 80% off. 80% off. Use the code SAGEFT. Use the code SAGEFT at checkout.
All right, let's spin the boat. I'm in.
Order filled. Order submitted.
$64.50.
61.75 holds you might be in business.
$64.50 sounds a good place to dump one. Thank you. Hit me. Do it. I'm on your rat.
Order filled.
Who just went order filled?
Yes.
Si, senor. I like it. 62.
I'm gonna take one at $64.50. I'm gonna let the other one ride to.
What was your entry?
$62.50. My bid's been sitting there forever.
Yeah. Look, I love the tape right at it. 547 by 350.
Order.
Nice trade. Nice trade. That's beautiful.
1 hour.
Cancel.
I canceled the stuff for the second one because I'm not on the ATM. Fighting butt naked.
Hey, you know that you can control the sound of those, right? Right click on your little speaker thing and go to volume mixer, and you can turn that down so you can hear me louder than you to have to hear your.
Oh, thank you. Oh. Raymond speaks Zulu.
How did he know?
There's the news.
Yeah.
China.
10 a.m. news, ISM. Oops.
How did you know?
Let's go. Look at the repricing all the way to 59. So
But look how they tested your price one more time. It tapped 64.50, got me out, and just said, "Wee."
yeah, it did. That was beautiful.
Crazy. That's
Okay, so now that's why I didn't take the pink bar long, right? Because we hit upper Keltner. Let's zoom out. All right, so now are we on lower Keltner on the 15-minute? That's what I was waiting for. Yes, we are. All right, so now do we get some sort of buyer and give us some sort of rotation, give us some sort of something telling us that the buyer just took control or not? Because this is going to turn into a big sell signal on my chart. No.
That was a stop on. They took all the people so long. Now
Okay, they already started to fill 59s. Okay, but then we also have one of those on the bottom from 53 to 51. Ooh, yucky.
it didn't complete that. It tapped 51.25 and bounced. Maybe one more test of the 50.
So
one more time.
on the 5-minute, it goes to 63.33 if we break. Do we agree with that, guys? If, right? And we can waffle, right? So, huge sell signal with a 10-point stop. No. I think they go back up there to 65.
That's the 56 hit we needed right there. Look at it.
Mhm.
That bastard.
Cancel.
You can turn your speakers down there, sir. Hit the right click in the systems tray icon. Go volume mixer, and then you can turn the Ninja Trader one down. You can keep my volume up. Or Discord volume up, whatever you want to do, but it lets you mess around. All right, now the cumulative delta is actually going to go negative here soon if they keep selling. Is that the perfect spot for them to bluff? Yes.
This is discount, sir.
Right. So what do they do with it? We're going to find out. We're going to find out.
Above 60, give you 64.50 again. 70, 77.
XRP at 45. What the fuck is it? What is it? Subliminally trying to get me to buy XRP? Nowhere did I click.
That means but dump it.
Gonna regret not buying 56. Watch this.
What number?
56.
Bought it.
I got a bid at 52, Joey.
Bidding.
Kidding.
Thank you. The problem is you'd put your stop at the half figure. Yikes. Oh, and Zach, just to let you know, big loud number is called the figure print.
Not as sexy.
It's less stereotypical. I'm in the micros. I'm taking Joey's 56 for him so he doesn't have to worry. And I'm going to take Joey's, and I'm going to take G-Man's 52. In the micros, in the sim.
49 and bounce, and then take 56.
You got it.
On the 45. I'm looking at the 45.
Yep. All right. So now, if we are to take this big blue bar short, you have literally a 10.25 point stop. So your first target is 44 HAVE.
Yep, 45.75.
44 HAVE. 44 HAVE. All right. So there's G-Man's 52. So we want 50. Kevin.
Where's your VPOC at now, Rev? Where's your VPOC at now?
Hold on one second. I have to move this order.
I'm going to dump this target at
57.
57.
Yep, I have 57 as well. Okay, so my VPOC is, and I'll kill you if I have to tell you, 66, G-Man. Imagine that, huh? Here, I'm going to hit Control-Shift-R and see if mine's wrong. How about that?
How about that?
Yeah, it probably is. If it's wrong, I'm going to show you my tits.
Yes.
Yes. Hold on. Calculating 66. Oh, damn.
Here comes 49.
66 still?
66. Yeah. Do you
There you
have
go.
RTH on, or do you got ETH? I don't even know where my stop should go on this micros trade. So did you say 49? I'm going to add there. Thank you. Micros. Another sell signal. We are outside, and the reason I'm buying the micros, folks, if you're wondering what the hell this guy's doing here, because we're outside the 15-minute Calternius Chanelensky. 63.43 on your 15-minute is a nasty spot as well.
57.
Okay, and then yesterday's low spot G was 42.75 on your volume profile.
Bake me.
They're going to swing right through that. Oh, did we buy 49? Are we going out at 54? Thank you.
Bake me.
Bink. Professor Binkman. 5 points. Thank you. Thanks, G.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, 57 next. I'm in the micros. I'm in the sim. And yes, I would take these in the micros with real money too. Because yes, this is the pad. This is what we talked about before the market opened. I wanted to see lower Keltner. Oh, you guys can't see it. Look right here on the 15-minute chart. Right. So now we got negative 1.5 IBX. Perfect. Couldn't get to negative 2. Even more perfect.
Oh, I added one more at 50. Sorry, I didn't tell you that.
Yeah, no, I got 40. I got 50, what did I? 52 and 49. So 57 is my next target. Micros, everybody. Not trying to look like I'm some sort of trillionaire simulator trader. I think it's funny when people, they go in the simulator and they're like, okay, I'm going to trade 14 contracts, when in real life they trade one micro. It's like, what the fuck are you doing, man?
Better hit 56. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Joey.
Trouble.
52.75 is your tape. This is heavy, guys. This is yuck.
I have nothing until like 44, probably 46. Yeah.
On what chart?
54 was like some sort of support, but I don't know. It's kind of like what Mancini says, like first support. Like, why would you? You know.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. 50 decision. Uh-oh. Snake 32nd.
I like 92 guys.
So where's the stuff? 48?
So we're adding at 48?
No, I'm saying the stuff. Is the stuff 48?
Are we adding at 48? Bro, look how clean it is on your 32nd. Oh, no. 48 would be yucky. Right now, your G-Man plausible long on the 32nd would be above about 54. If 50 holds to the tick right here. Ooh. Go on. I'm listening. Go. Wait. Is 54 right, G? Am I looking at that correctly?
54, yeah, I see it.
54 quarter is your resistance on the 30-second chart. You have your furry, blah, blah, blah.
I want to be 57.
Yeah. 57 target. Faux show. If it breaks 54 quarter. And that's exact, if you ask me.
I'm going to move one of my stops to 48, and I'll take it like Diddy if it comes back.
Let's go, Diddy. Okay. Killing ad order. Stop to 48.
Can't break.
Let's go.
56, they're going to 45.
Let's go. Pick me.
Copy that, Joey. Stops up if we don't break 56. You guys heard what we said. Okay, stops up 51.
Come on.
There's a minute and a half before this bar closes. That's a long fucking time.
Pick me, sir.
That is a long time. Holy shit. There he is. There he is. Fill me. Order,
fill.
No fill. You rat bastard.
Yeah, I took it 75.
Yeah, I know. I see it. Thanks.
You see how you see you did the same thing earlier, right?
Shh.
A bump.
Yeah, I'm gonna get mine. Watch this. That's why I shoosed you. Watch this.
Nine morphos at 57 got filled.
Don't get greedy. That's first red right there.
It's a lot of freaking selling. Are you kidding me? It's gonna do it to me twice.
Come on, push it. Don't let them out. Don't let those 50 sellers out.
In trouble.
I see that red touch, Joey.
Yeah.
My second one's at break even at 50, so either way, this is free.
No fill at 57.
5 points on the first one, second one's free at break even. Let's ride.
No fill at 57. They're gonna get me. They're gonna get me 2 PP touches in one session. This is impressive. That means this is weak. Just so everyone knows. Yep. Two stop outs after hitting target in one session. Impressive. Sellers are thick. Hey, you got a sell signal at 53.50. Your stop was 56.
Let me see what they do with this 48 stops.
No. I'm out of the trade, by the way. Mall win. Wait, no. Loser. How? Oh, commissions. Ah, good.
What's that? 55. I see you, Joe. We got to clear that 55 to continue high.
Look at that 45 picture.
Dick.
I'll bet you money.
Dick.
I'll back to 10.
Unloading, Joey.
49 doesn't hold. See that big X I showed you?
Mm-hmm. Wow. What's that? 40.
Yes, Joey. I also have 45 as a potential place.
Yeah.
One tick for my stop.
If 48 doesn't print right here, this rips 58.
Look at this, boys. One tick for my stop.
Look at your 50 tape.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's your crime scene, Joey. Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
No, that's at 49.
They're leaning into the bid, guys. Be careful going long here. They're leaning into the bid. I'm on the sidelines. Oh, yeah. I mean, look, here's the deal. If it doesn't print 48, muchos, right? But they're leaning. So let's see.
still in at 50.
8 points, 10
2 points
cards,
up.
call it a day. You ain't in for long.
Come on. I am out.
There you go.
That was clean. 5 points on one, 2 points up on the other. I still net plus 3 points. Let's go.
Let's go with 45. Come on. Let's get somewhere. This shit. See what happens there. 43.
Well, if it doesn't reach 45, that's good.
Yeah. That's the thing.
But you
I
figure
have a good-
Mancini called 42 under 61, so you might as well bank that.
Yeah, but
46.
that little block from 51 to 48, Joey, is major. Major block.
I think it's like 46.
Forty-three, 33 below. 61 must recover.
You have your VPOC up, Joey? I know Kim got his up. What's your VPOC?
Yeah.
Kim? What's your VPOC, Joey?
Around 50.
50. How the hell we all everybody?
Oh,
has
no.
different-
Oh, it's not printing it out.
All right, here we go.
Hey, look, 45.
Well, I'm gonna stick to
45.
mine. I have different
I
prices.
like it. A little more. 43.75 would be nice. Or not. Bitch.
5 minutes is in a free fall.
Mm-hmm.
35.50 down.
Let them sell it. I like it. Get a better price. Remember, Joe, below 45 is 33. That's our next major spot.
45 is big on the 3 minute.
make it? Can they print 4450? If they print 4450, Joey, we're going lower. Carry it to print 44. They see that? Quick. Bang. There we go.
You know they got to hit the Mancini.
It said 4333. Yeah. Going lower because that 4450 couldn't hold. Here's your 43, Joey. What is that? That gives us what, 33?
Yep.
It's not holding though.
That'd be a
Bouncing.
good
Bouncing that 33. I mean that 43. That's good. And
weak
close the
point
book.
for 45.
I'll let you know when we win. I'm not catching the knife though. Cam, you short?
Let's see what the crackheads are doing. Oh boy, they're out in the middle of nowhere.
Nowhere, Joey. That's why I'm looking at the 33. 43, 33. Oh boy.
What was that?
You in, Cam?
No,
Are you in?
I'm waiting.
Are you?
I'm waiting.
Are you?
Yeah.
Timber. So, what did you think about that 48 stop, G? Did they sell it?
They smoked it.
Smoked. Yes, they did. Lots of cell signals. Lots of cell signals. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on our fourth one right now. 4475 is a cell as well. Poet and didn't know it.
Both we got 37, 33.
37, 33, 30. Si, senor. Anyone short 4475? That's clean. It's clean.
Oh, it's super clean. I'm just watching. This is beautiful.
Yeah. So you have 4075 and 3675. Target. And there's nothing for me to do down here because if I do declare, we are still the narrowest range. So you can be trailing short, but opening shorts down here is against my process. Oh, Joey, are they going to hit that 33 like it's nothing, brother? Oh my God, they are.
I'm looking at the 45 blue at 37.
Yeah, look at it. Oh, hello, ladies.
Oh, did you say 37?
37. Oh, 33 lines up on the 45 and the 5. Uh-oh, buyers. Uh-oh. Oopsie, somebody made a boopsie. 4475 short, 4075 1R, 3675 2R. Get it if you got it. Good.
It made it oopsie.
He said, oopsie, somebody made a boopsie.
Oh, if this 40 right here fails, Don't cry.
Don't cry no more. He tried to buy 41.75.
So
He tried.
40
He
takes
tried.
liquidity, right? Below 40 would grab the liquidity, which would be nice. Let's see what happens.
You see that, Rev? He tried that. He tried that 41.75.
He
They
tried.
said, thank you. Thank you.
Low of
Gotcha.
40. Yeah, I see the 40 on the 15-minute chart, boys. I see it. And on the 40. There's a pinprick on the 45-minute chart, wouldn't it? Ooh. Possible reversal level.
33 major. Don't play with 33.
He really tried to buy that 175 and got smoked. Or
Smoked.
he was buying to cover, and he knew that order was sitting right above him, and he said, "Thank you."
Ooh, they are slamming them right now.
Yeah, they just sold 39 1,000 times.
39.
Just watching 37.
He said, mark it. They said, thank you.
$37, right? It's your 45 blue, Joey.
Mm-hmm. I just want to see the reaction there.
Mm-hmm.
And if it doesn't hit that return below it, what might happen?
Which would be 33.75, right?
Yeah,
Yellow?
30. I get 34. Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. 34. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
If I tell you I've been short since 48, would you believe me?
That's the 70 reclaim target, though. You rat. Look at that.
You dirty, dirty rat. Sprawl, to answer your question, if that is your process, if that is your 100 level trade, that is the trade. That is correct. So what I've done is my bars paint where I took all the stop outs since 2010. And what you're going to notice is a lot of the green over reds and red over greens and position ones and kisses. Mwah. It's just me trading it backwards. This is where all the stops happened, right? So what I mean by that is, right, I try to go long here, which obviously is the wrong trade, obviously because we called it. And so then it flushes me, right? So then I try to go long again, flushes me again. I try to go long again, flushes me again. I try to go long. I try to put my stop at like 48 where G-Man was talking, right? And just follow my cursor as we go down here. So then I try to add again. It stops me out again. I try to add again. Okay. So now what we're watching is if I try to go short down here, we've already smacked the 39s. Joey's already talked about it 3 times. He wanted to see it get to 37. It didn't get 37. So now what? I try to go short down here, and it's going to do what to me? It's going to smack me. And so, and I'm not saying right here, okay, but that's just how it goes. And so then what I'm going to do is we're going to wait for the fractal to come back around. Okay, the fractal meaning that price 8 and 20 turn up, just like we've always done it. And then we're going to see the bar paint where old losing rev shorted the bottom. Right? So that's how I want you to think about it. Red over green if that's part of your process. Green over red if that's your process. Yes, absolutely. Level to level. Level to level.
He bought 41s. Like, he bought 41s for real this time. Like, big dog.
I see 39 accumulation. I see 38.50 accumulation. I see a gap at 39 quart. Ooh, they don't like that. They don't like that, G. They don't like that.
I had a buy order at 37. Fuckers listening by.
They knew Joey was there. They said, buy it.
Asshole.
Right in front of him. Think about if they did that to your face in the pit. Joey, there's no difference. They see Joey sitting over there looking at his card, right? They see Joey looking at his card. He's looking at his Palm Pilot. He's like, and they kind of glance over his shoulder at where he's going to bid because they know that he actually makes money. And so they just buy it right in front of him. That's what they do. That's how it actually works, guys. Just because we're on the electronic screens, that don't mean shit. That's what they just did. They just looked over Joey's shoulder. They saw his card. Okay. They saw his Palm Pilot, and he didn't get the order. So now, if Joey gets filled at 37, he may not want it. He may, because Joe, look at
They
your
reckon
2 minute.
a BlackBerry, the bastard.
They were Palm Pilots on the floor. They were Palm Pilots. That's what they actually were. So, Joey, look at your 2 minute rejection. Didn't get 45. Yikes. Is it 45? It's 45.25 to be exact. Now, see, folks, if you're watching this, we can use exact number, right? So the lingo in this room is, let's say that it's 44. Okay, so that's 44. But if we say 44s, it could be anywhere from 44 quarter to 44.75. Who gives a shit? Okay, rounding error. Who gives a shit? Okay, there's another sell signal. This is where Rev starts to short in the hole. Okay, in the simulator, I'm going to market it to the long side.
What at that time? One left.
Okay, so now I have to reverse engineer this stop. 37.50. Okay, perfect. This is easy. 37.50. Okay, so the stop at 30.25 is the stop. And we're going for 44.75.
41.50.
And get it over 45, we can go.
Oof.
You have completed business at 45 quarter.
Oof. They got him, boy.
They got him right there. Yeah. See, and this is what I mean. Now, even if this goes down lower, right? Old losing Rev is going to screw it up somehow, being short at the bottom. So even if it goes down, let's say it goes to 34, he's going to close at like 35.75.
You know what I really like right now? I really like
A cheeseburger.
Another test of that 50 that will give you that 55.50 decision right here.
Leaning into the bid. That's why I'm in the sim in a micro. Well, if he's in the sim, why don't you just take it with 10 contracts? Why don't you have a warm glass of shut the hell up? 750.
Yep, they sold it.
They sold.
There they go.
Yep, there it is again, right there. 37 short again. Okay, so you can go yard here. So you'd have a couple different stops. There's a couple different entries. Oops, you do have a short here, guys. You have a 36.75 short. It's just so hard to take it down here.
Make sure it hits 34 or protect.
Oh, for sure. This is rough. So either we're going instant 32.50, right?
And bounce right here on 35.50.
Let's see. What's the other one? It's a much larger trade where you would have a stop. Okay, so the entry is 37.50. The stop is 44.75. Okay, the other entry, the other stop.
Ooh.
Is 41. So first target. Okay, first target's 32.50 if it gets. Okay, and then 30.25. 32.50 and 30.25. And I have one micro. Ooh, I would be fired from my risk management position if I got caught doing this. One micro long and 2 ES short. Imagine losing your funded account for that, folks. Imagine. Because that's all it would take to do. Because they all say no hedging, right?
Mm-hmm.
Still got below, I'm going to tell you right now.
Go ahead.
Just to say 30.
Yes, I'm in them right now.
Oh, yeah, I see it, Joey. Folks, I have my cursor on it right now on the 45-minute chart. Smack them. Smack them. 30 is a beautiful number, Joey. I really like that number.
32 major.
That's funny. My stop in my micros is 30.25, and my final target is 30.25 on my ES. You rats. Here's the trades.
So they completed the return. So if you took that on the 45-minute, my
Crushed
gosh, it went from 70 to 30, 40 points for that snake mouth.
Let's dissect it, Joey.
Unbelievable.
Hey, we called it. So here's what he's talking about, folks. The white line holds. Okay, creates the red and blue. We go straight back into it. We talked about it the whole time, right? And then Joey said he's watching 37, which at the time was blue. Now blue is 35.25. Now we're at yellow. Now the next thing that Joey's showing you is right here where my cursor is. Okay, 30 is what he calls blow, where the 45-minute candle goes straight through the white line. So then, Joey, I want to confirm, is your next one at 23, 22.75, whatever? On the 45-minute chart, same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
22.75.
Copy that. Okay.
Which happens to be white.
First target out. First target out, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 4 points. And we got a 30-25 final. 30-25 final. Let's roll. You'll hear it say stop filled or order target filled. Micros will get filled before ES. Maybe not, though. Stops down. Free trade. Yeah, stops down, guys. Stops down. 36.75. 36.25. I'm gonna follow it on the 2-minute chart here. A minute and a half. Oh my God. Here comes 36. Fuck you. One tick Rick at 30.50, boys.
You get it.
Come on. Joey is guaranteeing me it. Where did Zach go? Did he average himself into... He'll be back. He'll be back.
This was all telegraphed.
100%.
I blew it. That's good.
Hey, are you going to blow it next time, or is Joey 2.0 going to come back?
Oh no, I got all I needed, but I should have had a lot more.
Let's go. Next time you need more. This will lock me in. If I can get this fill, it'll lock me into just over 10 points for the day, which would be all on one trade, actually. Wow, that's pretty fucking good.
Look at that 30 fanned out. I mean, every red touches. Sell it.
Look at that. One tick,
Do the
Rick.
tick. Did you get out?
No, one tick, Rick.
It hit 30.25, but it didn't feel you.
Three cars traded at 30.25. Yeah, this will be the third one. This will be the third one, Joey.
Oh, look at that reverse.
Yeah, that's quite the reverse. What's the volume look like? What's the volume? What's the volume? Okay, so we can see it in this thing here. Volume 49. We've got a minute and a half. Okay, so that's not terrible. This would have to be like 13,000 contracts to work, though. Otherwise, this is just absorbance. Depends. Man, that was looking juice. Sweet mercy. Come on. Okay, they sold 34. Yeah, they bought 34.
They fell 32. They're looking at 299 on the 5.
I was just looking at 32 because you have
Jeez.
one by 44, Joey, on the tape. 1 by 44. AKA
20.
flat tire.
28's huge on the 3. Ooh,
Hey Siri, text
a
Zach.
minute, bashed into something.
You still good? Question mark. Good.
Oh, you got something on 2650 around?
Something went wrong. Please try again.
I'm going through them all, buddy. Hold on.
Hey Siri, text Zach. Where did you go?
Look at the 2 minute.
Almost just grabbed my stitches.
they're-
They just sold 31s hard.
They're done.
All right.
Hey, targets. Let's go, boys. Flat. 11 points on that trade. 11 and a half points on that trade. Let's go.
That was awesome. Good
That
job.
yeah, that was killer. Hit the like button if you enjoyed that. I don't think we could have called it much clearer, and I showed you my charts of exactly what I was doing, and you can see the entries. Oh, good.
I like this trade.
Are you short or are you long? What are you doing, Cam? Talk to us.
Oh, I had 2625 as a possible long.
Okay.
Here it goes. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait for the reaction. I'm not in the knife catching business today.
Good. And where are you getting where are you getting that from? Where?
Yeah.
It's from yesterday's pre-market. Essentially, just draw it from 94.50, just kind of like our takeoff from yesterday, and then just go to the top. And this is exactly the point. But as you can see, I don't have anything yet. It's also kind of like in the middle of nowhere.
94.50.
So
94.50.
Look at the 45.
Yeah.
I'm getting a rash over here.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah. Joey. Shh.
To the white.
Joey, go. Joey, why? Look, here's the deal. You're going to need to go touch grass, sir.
I don't know what that is.
What the fuck? I'm going to stare at the screen and be mad because I'm not in the trade.
I'm not mad.
I know.
I'm not mad. I'm fascinated. Just look what it did.
I love
if
it.
you just look at red, white, and blue, what they just flipping did.
On the 45? Is that okay? Yeah, I still have that one up. The reason I'm asking you is I have the chart up. So, Joey, talk to me about 6305 exactly on the 45-minute chart, please. Give me your thoughts. And I believe, Cam, this will be answering your question.
I got so many numbers on here.
Yeah, so look at 8:15 on the 4th of August. Is that today? Yeah, look no, that's yesterday. Look at 8:15 a.m. on the 45-minute.
Yeah,
oh,
100%.
this is not. I mean,
That's convergence,
97
right?
is our.
I think. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for reaction.
97.50 is the next target.
Downwards. Yeah. Downwards.
It's the next CS.
Look at him selling it. Okay, and then Joey, it's the top of that bar before the big move up.
Mm-hmm.
And so therefore that is the bottom of the Furry Valley gear.
The fair value, what?
The Furry Valley, the furry very girly.
Another circle for you.
Oh, another sell signal. Are you out of your effing mind? Oh
Is this
my
like, did
God.
Trump say something? Like, what's going on right now?
Oh my God, this is insane. Stop of 29. This is a big stop, so I'll do it. I'll do it correctly. 24.50. I'll do it correctly in the sim. I think it's going to bounce on one of these, right? So 21 would put us at 12. 12 target? There's no way. Okay, there's my ad order. Good, 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 good. 21 target on the ad. Good, 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 good. 21 target on the ad. Ad order was 24.50. Come on, 21. There he goes. There's 21. How did he know? How did he know to offer out 24.50 and bid 21? How did he know? Inquiring minds want to know. That's about as perfect as it gets, folks. Completed business on my offer. Let's roll. Okay, look at him buying. Look at him buying the 20 wherever I just closed. Look at that, 645 by 813. The longs are getting the wrong signal. Look at your 22s. Oh my God, that's thousands of times. Oh boy, I want to move my stop down. Yeah, 26.
Lots of damage going on in these big bars.
27.25 stop. Oh my God, I hate it. I hate it, but I love it.
When they get it squeezing,
And it will go
gonna
very
rip.
quickly. Yeah, you can see the pressure. It's just bubbling. But now here's the deal: if they dump Tino, where do we go? 12. It goes to 12. It goes to 12.
Oh, that was a beautiful trap.
It
Jesus.
goes to 12.
Cam,
Yo. Oh.
you talking about the trap on top of 24.50?
Let's go.
Oh my God, bro. I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna
I
recover.
swear you came. I swear you came. I sat here. I
Look.
sat here. I looked at it. I'm like, nah, don't take it. Don't take it. I didn't take it, and it just.
Look at
Oh
G.
my God.
G, look at my
That was
entry.
brilliant.
You guys said 24.50, right? I'm sorry. Look at my entry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll never do it again ever.
That was sexy trap. No
I'll
cap.
never do it again. I'll never sweep the leg ever again. Yeah. Let's go.
Nice entry. That was nice. That was real nice.
Yeah, it is a limit order. Let's go, baby.
My girl texted me back, Joey, because I texted her and I said what SVG stands for.
Careful.
She texted me back. She
Careful.
said Fat VVG girl. You know what VVG means?
Okay, big orders coming in at 17. Big orders coming in at 17. Stops down. Stop to 23.50. Smack that 17 or it's ripping. Look at the orders that came in. Smack them. Smack them. Lean with it. Rock with it. Roll with it. Look at how low the completed business is at 15.75. There's no way. Oh boy.
Cam, that was nice.
Good. Pull up a daily.
Did you take that 24.50 though, Cam?
Yes. Oh.
No, I'm not shorting up here still. For me, we're still like too close to all-time high, so I just gotta wait for a long setup.
Yeah. That's why I'm just sitting here watching. I'm waiting for a nice little pattern that I have. Once I see it,
Yuck.
I'm going.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Yuck.
We'll see.
Another
Maybe
sell
just
signal.
leave.
Okay, he just bought 10,000 cars. Oh, get out of there. No. Look at you bastard. All right, it's gone. Stop is 23.50. Man, that was looking good for a second there. Okay, your over under is 16.75 by 17.25. Hard on the tape.
10 legs down. Mancini got 63.10 and 62.94.
Copy. All right, dump it. Go through the 16. Go through the 16. Don't use it as support. Go. All right, he's leaning. He's leaning at 18. He's got a gap at 17. He's got to fill. He doesn't like it. rock with it. Roll with it. He's trying to,
9075 was the daily breakout number.
they are doing everything they can to sucker in weak players. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Enjoy what you're watching right here. Please. Midline of your FVG. Now, I'm going to use FVG on this one because it'll just make sense. Your midline of your FVG. What did you call it? Imbalance? No. G, what did you say yesterday?
Correct. Filling the imbalance.
Yeah, look at the triple imbalance, Phil. Quadruple now that we just did it again. You see the tape read, see why I moved my stop. Unfortunately, I'm protected, but unfortunately it's only going to make me $50 instead of $600. But I am protected. And you can see the tape. I mean, it doesn't, folks, it doesn't get any clearer than what we just saw on the tape. That's the tape. So now 16 to 17s are over under, whatever this number is. Ooh.
Yeah, 15.
Did you?
1550.
Who just did that?
2050 gives you 1550. Well, it should. If it doesn't.
It's 24 instantly if it doesn't.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's 2050. Now give us 1550, you little bird. This would be a sick call if you call it to the tick, G. I'm expecting it to go up.
29 to 33 reclaim works us up.
Yep. 11 below.
But you guys see how the tape came in at 17? Is that just like, it's so obvious?
88.93 below 11.
It's got to go
15,
above
so
23
let's start
first.
sitting at 25.
This is disgusting. This
23,
is
75.
disgusting.
All right.
Fuck you. No, great trade,
I'm gonna
everybody.
go flat here.
Yeah, if you're short, I'd flatten out. Yeah, it's probably pretty smart here.
I was long.
Oh,
but
even
just,
even
I
better.
just don't believe in it. Yeah.
Where did you get long?
1775.
Perfect. Looking at
I
the
like
tape,
it.
it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. And you just took my money, so good job. Not literally, but
Well, a little bit of all the money you've been making all this morning.
yeah, I mean, I am up 12 points. That trade was almost going to be a banger, and it turned into a burger. It was a hot dog. It was a hot dog. It turned into a burger.
I like it. I like it a lot right here.
Yeah, not yet. No, G. Not yet.
21, can you do something for me?
So now this is where G's going to start saying, okay, stops are at 1550. Let's see what they do with it. Yep. Yeah, okay, 1550 printed. We're going to wait.
Here, guys.
Very simple.
Yeah, because those 1550 sellers are still alive because they didn't take their stop at 2450. So this trade is still valid to the 1550.
Zach said to be back. He's just getting a bunch of stuff delivered to his house. I don't think I should have moved my stop so quick. I might have to re-enter this POS, or they bought the shit out of 1675. I don't know. I don't see him catching a knife though, guys. I just don't see it.
Yeah. That's
He
tough.
did it again at 18. He came back 2,000 times.
2,000. Are you on the 15 minute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then the actual number is 642 on the 2 minute. Okay, so now he just leaned into 19s. 1,100 times. Oh boy, this is a game here. This is what I like to watch, folks. I see nothing yet. I'm starting to watch the tape. Yep. So a blackjack card counter doesn't just sit at the table and win. He has to start the count. Okay, let's start the count. So the count is 2275 by 1675. That's the count. Hard. Massive numbers.
Nick's been killing them. Let's go,
At the
Nick.
15 snake, that's probably what slowed it down.
Let's go, Nick. Let's go, Tyson. Everybody, the only way I'm going to ask of you to tip the dealer is to go ahead and hit that like button, hit the share button, subscribe button. You can hit the $sign. You can become a member. We've got 3 tiers. You can gift memberships. We've got 3 tiers. All right, so now we've got 20. What did I say? 22.75, 16.75 to 17.25, and now we have a new one at 19.
Come on. I can't find my button quick enough.
Get your thumb out of your hole.
Then Q crackies are trying to turn it around.
Okay, reclaim. If on the 30-second chart, if this is exhaustion,
I'm gonna try to stop. I re-entered.
23.25 is your over under. 30.75, 38.25.
Bait me.
We do have a higher low. This is interesting here. This is getting interesting.
Spicy.
Yeah, 22.75. What? Oh, did I? Oh,
24.50. Bait me.
23. No, I just tried to. Oh, I clicked on 22.75 instead of 23. Oh, good job, guys.
I bought the 18. I told you he was there 2,000 times.
Oh, I tried to join it. I clicked on the wrong one. That's okay. Next.
That was juicy. Let's go.
Okay, now 22 is your wall. You're watching 22.
Still may not take off, huh?
No, it may not. I mean, because all they got to do is just find liquidity.
This is interesting. It's interesting down here, though. I like it down here.
Yup. I'm gonna go for.
I think my target should have been an ad. Crazy.
All right.
Yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah.
30, 25. Yeah.
So,
But I'm only
24.50 was your target?
Correct.
Order filled. Take it for you.
Meh. Running out of gas.
Minute and 15. Minute and 15. I'm trying to see if we can get confirmation to get that 30,
So
25.
6 1/4 would put us at 30 half.
30 half. Yep. 30 quarter.
Imagine that. All right, so 30 3/4 is 1 R for on your 30-second chart removal. This is in the game plan.
I'm waiting for 30.
I'll jump back in low if they give it to me.
Run it to 45.
Yeah.
Or complete failure, and we go to 11.50.
It's okay. I played that. I joined the play perfectly. So if it goes lower, I'll take the 15.50 stops. I'll take it. Put your entry order.
Will you stop? All right. While we're waiting for this to play out and rotate and sit and spin and all that other fun stuff, let's show these shoes. Let's show the Rare Air 4s here. Let's see what they look like. Hold on. All right. Space on here.
I'm out. I'm gonna wait. I'll be back in 5-10 minutes. All right.
See ya.
Copy that.
Take a walk. All right. So I think the box
Yeah,
is sick. Check this out. Check the box out. Box is dope.
That's fire. You gotta smell
Oh,
the
wait,
box
wait, wait.
too,
You
right
see
there.
that? Wait, wait, wait. I'm sorry. I thought there were smudges on there. Look at that. You see it? That's sick.
Oh, that's fire.
That is sick. And it's a good condition box. Let's go.
Is it like a hologram?
It is a like a jet printer of his face of the core in the corrugation of the box material. See? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, I didn't see this. Oh, that's sick. That's clean. Da-da-da. And folks, what we're doing is we're keeping you from pushing the button. Do you catch what we're doing here? Okay, good, good. Now they're super wrapped, so you gotta get out of them here. They're not terrible.
Oh yeah, those are nice. Those are
So
nice.
so here's what I like about them. Right there. It's upside
Oh
down.
shit.
Right, and then the inside is upside down. Okay, can't see it. There you go. Kind of see it there. Okay, but then the other one is
Backwards.
normal. Yeah. There we go. There's the pop. There's the pop. Cam, thanks for getting out. Appreciate it.
You gotta smell the shoe.
I will absolutely smell this shoe all day long. You
Yeah,
know
smell it.
that's real Chinese right there. Woo.
Look at
Chinese formaldehyde. I
Yeah.
wouldn't
Joey, Joey, Joey.
that. Joey. China. China.
China. Why on the videos you watch did they slap the sole?
Oh, to hear it. Listen, I was about to do it. This is what
Yeah,
a
it's-
real Jordan sole sounds like.
Mhm.
And then you wipe it, and then you smell it. Because Joey, this shoe, if they stop making this shoe on the next run, it'll be $800 in 3 weeks or something like that. You know, you never know.
$1,000 plus.
Yeah, you never know. So I've got several different color styles of this, Joey. I think I have 4 or 5. I've got several of them that they just don't make anymore. And that's the whole. This is literally like buying an IPO, and either you win it or you don't. And if you don't, you just wear them. Can't wear an IPO.
Damn, the entry was 21.
Yes, it was. I got 24. And that's the Jordan. Oh, I didn't see this. That's sick.
I'm waiting for 31 reclaim. We'll run to 45.
Ooh, another 2-tick Nick. Are you serious right now?
No, you're gonna get it. This is live right here.
It lines right up with my 2-minute. It's one tick above my 2-minute though. 2-minute open of the red bar.
I learned something new today. Add to winners instead of getting out.
I added for you, brother. That's why I entered. I was like, oh, all right, I'll take it. I don't give a shit.
Here comes your next target.
That's why Paul Tudor Jones, P Diddy has the thing above his desk that says, losers add to losers. Yeah. So we got to work on adding to winning trades, not losing trades. Yeah, these shoes are not terrible. The colorway is disgustingly ugly, but I mean, it could be worse.
No, it looks good. Those are classics right there.
Yeah. Yeah, and gee, you can still get some. They made another run of them, so you can also get the white cements with the fire red.
I got 2 pair of 4s. I got the black cats. I'm good. I don't really like too much because I have so much Jordans. Like the colorways, they be coming out too crazy. So it's just like
So
the black cat is my favorite.
yeah, black hats. Those are the most sought after one. Those are a minimum. If they're real, they're a minimum of $800.
Becomes your 30 quarter.
Give me my
Me
30
too.
half. Ooh, look at 238
Thank
times at 30. 469. He shoots, he scores.
Target, field.
Order filled. Target filled. Yeah, it said target filled. That's right.
So this is the second time this week that I put myself in break even, comes for me, and then run.
We thanked you if you didn't hear it.
Joey, what's that? What we call that? The ankle breaker? The good old ankle breaker?
That's why I thanked you. Cam, rewind
Dude.
it. I said, thanks, Cam. You prick.
Annoying.
First touch blue, 32nd.
Well, T2 was 30 quarter. T3 is way up there.
Flat.
Way up there.
I'm up.
The test of that 33, Joey?
Almost 19 points. What time is it? Okay, we'll run the stream for another 20, 30 minutes here. Probably another 30 minutes.
Crack that blue.
Yep, first crack at blue. That was a great exit. $6 points on that trade, folks. And we're going to thank G-Man for that one. He says I should have added instead of took profit. I said, I'll enter right there for you. Thank you.
That was clean.
All right, now
I only had one car, so I couldn't ride.
15-minute decision point. Look at that. Look at the pin bar directly off of your 200. Look at that. Folks, that was random. You know that, right? That was completely random.
I'm here. I'll be back in 5 though.
I can't even say it with a straight face. Folks, there's nothing random about this. This is choreographed. Either you're a part of the playwright by admission, or you're not. It's one or the other. Either you're writing the play or you're a part of it without your admission.
I'm
Crushing
just
it.
chasing snakes is all I'm doing.
It's kind of all that is happening, right, Joey? I mean, if you think about it, that's what they're doing.
And the 15 just snaked out and the thing turned around. Is that a coincidence? I don't.
No, sir. Look at your 2 hour, Joey. If they don't print that 12,
45 white dagger might be a blue dagger by the time this bar's over. If they get above 35.
Yeah. On the 45-minute, right?
That would be vicious.
Above 36.25 or something like that. Close enough, right?
I was gone. What happened?
We're looking at 45-minute blue is what we were just discussing.
If they get back above that.
Look at your tape at 30.
It's over.
Yeah, above it and close. Joey, I think if that 45-minute closes above, I think your over-under is at 30. I really do. Because of the tails that you had right there at 10:30 a.m. Am I seeing that correctly? What fucking time is it? It's only 11. Wait, what time is it? Oh, that was yesterday. Today's the 5th. Yeah, yesterday at 10:30. You guys can tell I didn't sleep last night because I don't even know what day it is. I did not sleep worth. I think I slept like 45 minutes last night. One of these bars I got to sleep. Oh my God. Caffeine is my friend today. Okay, they just filled the pothole at O by 30 at 25.25. Joey, that's ugly. That's an ugly bar. Right from the 30 on the 45-minute Joey, right from 30 where we were talking about it, straight to white 22.75 in 1 2-minute bar. After Joey, after massive tape at your 30 level exactly. Can you see the stream chart, Joey? Look at 30. Oh, on my footprint. And you tell me if those lines that you have found work or not, or are relevant or not. Look at that 22.75 from 30. Look at that, Joey. Oh my God. When you notice something like that, and to keep yourself from trying, and I'm not talking to Joey, folks, I'm talking to you guys, to keep yourself from feeling invincible. Watch this. Watch.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No. 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 Why won't you listen to me?
That's weird. The full screen button that you just fixed, it doesn't, like, even if I highlight the slobs, it doesn't do anything. Let's mess with that a little bit off stream. Here we go. 31s. Look at that. They swooped them. I do believe Joey calls this the what did you just call it, Joey? Smack. Yeah, that 20 needs to turn up before I get any sort of, otherwise it's just going to keep dragging it down. See this red right here?
Let's go, Zulu.
We'll run the stream for about another 15, 20 minutes, then we'll go ahead and get up out of here.
take it back on the 30 reclaim.
30 reclaim, yeah.
You see how 30 was support, became resistance. Now they're selling it.
Oh yeah.
So on the comeback up, I'll take it.
Yeah, totally. It's nice. Here she comes.
30-second CS. I marked it at 27.50. That's the first one in a long time. The only other ones we have are up above 65. Okay, so now that is kind of setting the narrative, right? Because either we go to all the old CSs, okay, from the first, okay, or we go back to the CSs from this morning.
CS in 2 minutes is 31.25, and it's been just fighting.
Noise or signal is what I mean to say. Noise or signal.
Round number. Okay. Let me see if I'm in. Round number. Bait me.
They're buying this. Your 20. Yeah. Your 20 is saying chill though. Gotta get the butter. Throw it in the gutter.
You see that entry cam?
Yeah, let's go. Love it.
That was sexy.
Is that
I'm like,
5 minutes?
I'm gonna sit on the bid. Now that's the 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay.
I had to zoom in real quick because you see we're getting a bunch of wicks in the 5 minute.
Yeah.
So I zoomed in real quick. I'm gonna sit on the bid.
Third attempt to get in 30s. Let's go. See what happens.
Oh, still break even. I'm okay.